If you plan to loan from China Bank, check out their loans calculator from their mobile app. Pagka-login nyo, punta kayo sa menu dito sa upper left. Then, go to information. Go to calculator or simulator. So, pwede nyong i-calculate ang auto loan or housing loan. Dito muna tayo sa auto loan. See, for example, ang selling price is 500,000 pesos. And your down payment would be, say, 50%. Piliin nyo dito yung preferred loan term in months. Let's say 24 months or 2 years. Then just click compute. Makikita niyo dito that the loan amount is your down payment, which is 250,000, and equal monthly amortization will be 11.4K. So, pwede niyong laruin yan. Let's say 70% in 36 months, and then just click compute. Note that itong results are indicative only and posibleng mapalitan based on the bank's evaluation. Now, if we go to housing loan calculator, let's say the collateral type is house and lot, and yung loan amount natin is 1 million pesos. Okay? Preferred loan term is, say, 5 years. And then preferred rate fixing period. This is how long you want to lock in yung napili yung rate. Okay? So, let's say 5 years then, and then click compute. The equal monthly amortization would be 19.8K, and your required gross monthly income should be at least 56K. Okay, so this gives you an idea kung magkano yung pwede nyong i-loan and magkano yung magiging amortization nyo. Now, if gusto nyong mag-loan based on your monthly income, just click here. Let's say condo ang gusto nating bilhin and ang gross monthly income would be near 50,000 pesos. Preferred loan term, 3 years. Preferred rate fixing period, 3 years. Then, compute, and there you go. If ang monthly income ko is 50,000, ang pwede kong i-loan is 570K. And ang monthly amortization ko would be 17.5.